welcome back to our channel. So today's video we are going to be revamping our kitchen. So more specifically, I got some green like faux wall shrubbery, and I'm going to be placing it all around the kitchen walls. Potentially this wall too, because I think it would just look weird if I stopped it right there. Getting a few pieces here and there to spruce up the place, right, Tootie? No. No. So before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe, like, and share the video, and let's get started. Ouch. Okay, ready to do it? Gonna help mommy? Alright, so everything that I'm using for the faux grass wall is going to be, I got it all from Amazon. I'll link below in the description box the exact stuff that I purchased. I bought 2 of these boxes. There's 12 by 12s or 12, 20 by 20. I don't know how it, either way, there's 12 like panels in each box. I did purchase a staple gun. Hold on. So the idea of today's video was inspired by Alyssa Forever. That's my girl. I love watching her. I have thought about the shrubbery wall before, but after I seen her do it, I was like, oh yeah. Sis just showed me how to do it and how it's gonna look. So I'm definitely about to hop on this wave. All right, so this staple gun, this is the staple gun, boom. And it came with a whole bunch of staples. So, okay, I've never used one of these before. I'm kind of, ooh. Whew. All right, so I'm assuming my staples. All right, once I figure the staple gun out, I'll be back. All right, I think I figured it out. So now let's open the box and see what it looks like, because I have not opened it yet. You know, I really hope this project doesn't really take me too long. I have a lot to do today. So we're gonna see, I hope that I can get it done fast, like once I get into the groove of it, that I can just speed through it, but still make it, you know, still do a good job, obviously. Oh. Okay. Alright, so this is what we're working with. This is nice. It's not bad at all, actually. Place it all around, like so. Oh, I think I'm gonna absolutely, oh my god, I'm so excited. Let's just do one as a tester. There we go. Okay, this is gonna be cute. Whew. Okay, so this is actually gonna be really cute. Like, look, ooh la la, fancy. All right, so I'm gonna just take my time and start placing it all around. Okay, so as y'all see on this one, how like it's gonna get cut right there. No, not wash your hands right now, okay? So I'm simply just gonna cut along the line. All right, so like a little piece like this, I can use on places that I'll need smaller pieces. So this is actually really easy project. If this is something that you want to try, it's like really simple. So I can seamlessly still hang up my, you know, my little, what are these called? Measuring cups. I think this is actually going to be really cute. So far I have 2 panels done, and then I will show y'all once I have more. All right guys, just a quick visual of the corner here. I'm absolutely in love with this. Okay, so with the light sockets and the switches, I placed the panel first and then I just kind of felt around for when I needed to cut. But the key is, for me, or what I liked to do as far as vision wise, I didn't want to cut directly around because I didn't want you to be able to see the white. So what I did was kind of lift up the shrubs, and right up under the shrubs, cut immediately right under there. That way the shrubs can kind of come around. Here I kind of had to trim the hedges, so that I might do a little more trimming here because I don't want it to be a hazard as far as like plugging things in. Granted, we'll be cognizant of it, but you know, but that's what I did for that, so that it looks like it's inside the wall rather than like, you know, specifically cut out exactly for it. I think it just looks more natural. And the same thing with this, so that the shrubs can be coming off the edge rather than you be able to see this, you know what I mean? So I went in up under the little leaves and cut down, that way it looks like that on the edges. So yeah, this is what it's looking like so far. Y'all, I'm actually like really in love with this. This is like actually really dope. So yeah, I'm gonna keep going. I'm getting faster as I go, so see y'all soon. Oh my gosh, I freaking love this. Wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. OMG. Y'all, okay, so all right, so let's talk for a minute. I used all 12 panels. From the panels, I have these scraps left. I used all 12. It was literally perfect amount of panels. I used every single bit and piece. I used scraps. Like right here is this whole entire space is full of scraps. You wouldn't even know. Come here, boo-boo. You wouldn't even be able to tell that it was all scraps put together. Like it's not just one panel. The good thing about it is, hey cutie, you look cute. No. So you wouldn't even be able to tell that it was a whole bunch of little pieces put together. So that worked out perfectly. Plus along the lining here in the kitchen, on above the sink, it's perfect. Wanna get down? It's perfect because I was able to use scraps there too. So for over here, I was able to use more solid pieces. So these are all full pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4 are all full pieces. This I cut a little bit, and then obviously these here had to be cut because of the width of the underneath the cabinet. But wow, I am super impressed with myself. It looks really good. I'm glad that I did it. I think my favorite area is this corner over here where the microwave and stuff is. So now what I'm gonna do is get a few, okay, so my home is going to be like boho chic, I guess. So like that's why the greenery, that's why all the wooden stuff. So what I'm about to go do is find a wooden thing like this potentially for my utensils, and then I'm going to find a Lazy Susan over here, a wooden one. Hope like just maybe a circle one or like a 2-tier one that I can put all of my coffee and tea products. So yeah, this is just great. This is wonderful.
Hey, so I'm assuming there is a vlog going on right now. Quick thing. Hey guys, glad to see you guys are well. Thank you for tuning in to another video. But yeah, I just got back from work, and Jasmine has told me via text message that there's a surprise in the house, and I need to film my reaction. So I'm assuming there is some vlog going on right now. It's 6 p.m. And Jasmine, as you guys know, is known for changing things very drastically out of nowhere. So I don't know what to expect, but I will say There were 2 big boxes in the house last night, and she didn't tell me what they were or what was inside. So I'm assuming there is some correlation. But yeah, I'm definitely assuming something has changed very drastically in the house. Maybe lights. I think she always likes a lot of lights, or artwork. But nah, I think it's something more drastic than that. All right, so we're about to, you guys are going to see my reaction to this, because I'm also assuming you guys have already seen whatever I'm about to walk into. I don't know if this is an ambush or a prank that's about to come up, but my senses are heightened, so we're about to go see what's gonna go in the house. What's going on? Oh wow. Okay. So I did not expect this, but now I know what was in the boxes. This is pretty cool. Oh shoot, this is lit. This is real smooth. This is a great touch to the house, because I mean, you guys know prior to all of this was just, you know, the concrete or whatever the sheetrock that they use for the house. But this is a great touch. Like, I'm really impressed. I don't know where Jasmine got this, but I am truly impressed. This really adds some flair to the house, you know. So I'm impressed. Good job, babe. You did a good one. This is real nice, you know. That's real cool. I feel like we need to have a shindig now. Just like, hey, look at our new design in the house, you know. I like.
All right, guys, so I'm back from the store and I got a couple of things. All right, so I went over to TJ Maxx so that I could grab just a couple of things that I needed. I wanted to, first off, exchange this glassware that I have, this little like mason jar, and I wanted to put my utensils in something else. But I couldn't really find exactly what I wanted. So what I'm going to actually do is take what I already have my silverware in, put it in the new thing that I bought, which is just a square little thing, so that now I can line up my silverware, stack them, and it's easier to grab and more aesthetically pleasing. And then the little wooden bowl that I had for my utensils, for my silverware, I'm now going to use it for the cooking utensils, which will go by the stove. I also grabbed a big basket because, as most people have in their kitchen like junk drawers, we don't have one of those. So it's hard, and a lot of the times things get thrown up at the top of the refrigerator and it absolutely kills me. So what I'm doing now is I am just going to take everything that's up there, kind of organize it, get it all together, and put it inside of that bin, just so that it can just be out of sight, because, you know, it just bothers me, like the way the top of the fridge looks kills me. And it's hard because, you know, we don't really have anywhere for that stuff to go. So I think that I have solved that problem. I also got this Lazy Susan, or I'm sorry, I got this 2-tier white and wooden little thing so that I could set up the coffee nook over here a lot better now. So I'm going to put some of my teapots on there. I'm going to keep this white vase for now for my coffee pots. But I do in the future hope to get a coffee pot holder, more specifically a white one, just because I know I want everything to be like the wooden thing, but you know, white, I do want white to go in there as well. So, but for now, this is fine. I will deal with it. It works, so it's really not that big of a deal. And then lastly, I got this rug. I got this small rug from TJ Maxx as well, that I plan to just place right over here in front of the sink and the dishwasher, because a lot of times we're like dripping water and doing stuff like that, and it does, like, it's kind of like annoying walking on it and stuff like that. So I figured, like, I also wanted to break up some of the scene, put some of the wood on the floor as well, so that everything is cohesive. And I think that everything came out looking really, really nice. Done with the kitchen. I'm so happy, and I really am pleased, super pleased with the way the kitchen has turned out today. Project complete. I'm happy I did it in one day. I actually didn't think that I would be able to. I thought this was going to be a multiple day project, but I am super happy with what I've done and the way that it looks, and it's just revitalizing. It just feels so fresh and new and just, you know what I mean? You like it, babe? Come to the camera.
I love it.
You love it?
Yeah.
So I'm excited. I hope you guys like this DIY kitchen remake. What should I call this? Kitchen remodel? I don't know, but I pretty much revamped the place, and yeah, I love it. I love it. So if you like it, give this video a big thumbs up. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to try this out. Again, everything that I used is going to be below in the description box, except for the stuff that I bought at TJ Maxx, because I bought it at the store, so I don't know what the link is. So, but if you do try it, please send me your pictures, DM them to me. Let me know in the comments how it turned out. By the way, the fake faux grass, I will really honestly truly rate it a 10 out of 10. It didn't have a funny smell when I unboxed it. It wasn't sticky. I saw a lot of reviews. I think it's because I switched and went to a different brand. But it was perfectly fine. I mean, one box got me this entire kitchen, so, which was 12 panels. I think there were 12 by 12 or whatever. So yeah, I love it. I just am so happy. So yes, thanks for watching, guys, and I will catch you in our next video.
Adios.